Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to the family. And if you're an oldie, hey! Okay, guys, so today is wash day, and I thought I should take you guys through how I actually wash my hair. I used to be very detailed about how I wash my hair. By the way, my hair is natural. So I used to be very detailed about how I wash my hair. But with time, I had to simplify it to make it easier for me to, wash it frequently. When I started my natural hair journey in 2017, I used to be so detailed, all the pre-poo, the deep conditioning, all that stuff. But as my hair got longer, it became more difficult for me to do all those processes, and I wanted to get it over and done with quick. And then moving to be abroad, it was very hard to find someone that could actually properly handle natural hair. So I had to simplify the process for myself. So today I'm going to take you through how I do it now. Now that my hair is longer, this is what my hair looks like right now. It's this length. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys through how I actually wash my hair. I've already detangled it, so we're just going to jump straight into products I use and how I do it. Bye. So guys, I'm ready now. I'm just going to detangle the hair again. And I'm going to actually wash it in sections. You guys, this detangling brush, I can't even say the kind of miracle that it has done on my hair. But it has helped me detangle my hair so easily. And I can brush my hair dry. You guys, I can brush it dry and it just does the work seamlessly. I've already detangled it before, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do it again so you guys can see. I don't know the magic that's in this brush, but my hair has never felt this soft and stretched after detangling and twisting it back. And then unraveling it is still this stretched out. Don't mind the fact that I'm brushing my hair dry. You guys, that's how good this brush is. Before, I dare not try this. But yeah, so I'm going to just wash my hair in sections. I'm going to detangle each part and wash it in sections. It's actually in 8 sections, which I think is a lot. So I'm going to merge it back to 4 by the time I'm done washing. But anyway, let's get into the shower. Okay guys, let's get into it. This is the shampoo I use. Guys, this shampoo has saved my life. This is the Selsun Blue 2.5 extra strength. If you deal with dandruff or itchy scalp, get this and thank me later. I'm going to put the link in the description box so you can get yours and let me know how it works for you. I'm taking it back to the roots, guys. Like I said, I'm cutting out all the 10 million steps to maintaining my natural hair. So immediately after washing, I'm not even conditioning. See, to each their own, okay? If that's what you do, good for you, but I'm telling you what I do and what works for me, because I'm trying to, maintain a routine and I don't want anything that's going to stress me. Immediately after washing my hair, I go in using this Cantu Coil Activator Cream, after which I seal it with the Blue Magic Hair Cream. If you know, you know. And then on my scalp, I'll use the Virgin Hair Fertilizer. And then I'm trying this product. It's been trending on social media, so I'm going to try it on my scalp and let you guys know how I feel about it. While I am twisting my hair after washing, I usually mix the coil activator with water just to, make my hair wet again in case it's becoming dry while I'm twisting. So that's it, guys. That's all I do on my hair. So I'm just going to wet my hair and start washing. So guys, I'm done with my hair now. So everywhere is clean. See my scalp, everywhere is just nice and feeling very refreshed. So now I'm going to use this coil activator cream and I'm going to put it in every section. Be generous with it though. Yeah, that's one thing about natural hair. Natural hair consumes a lot of products. And don't forget the tip of your hair, okay? Because that part is just as That fact is just as important as every other part of your hair. I'm actually going to trim this hair next time. Just that I don't have a scissors. I'm going to order for scissors on Amazon. And then when the scissors comes, I'll trim the tips of my hair. You guys, this brush, what this brush has done for me. Hey God. I can't even believe I'm the one just brushing my hair like anyhow. Hey. See the way the brush is just asking. Let me come closer. Can you guys? The hair is just respecting itself. Eh? Wow. The link to the brush is in my description box, so if you want it, do yourself a favor and go get this brush. I promise you. Bye bye to the tangling horrors. If my hair can behave like this, then anybody's hair can behave too. I know what I'm saying. Trust me. Okay, now that I'm done with this, I'll use the virgin hair fertilizer. So I'm just going to put that. I'll pat the hair in every corner and apply it. I'll just keep on patting my hair the best way I can and apply it everywhere. Now massage it into your scalp. It feels so good. Just massage the virgin hair fertilizer into your scalp. Don't use don't use your fingers. Just use, I don't know what to call it. Don't use your fingers. Just rub it in. When I'm done doing this, I will now add the Blue Magic. I'll just put it at the back of my hand and apply it in sections. Don't forget the tip of your hair. Just so this video is not too long, I'm going to do the rest of my hair off camera and I'll be back, okay? So guys, I'm done twisting, oiling and all that good stuff. I just got this product recently and there's been so much rave about it, so I'm going to use it for a while to see if it actually does something for me. So yeah, I'll drop this on my scalp and then just massage it in. Alright, so I'll massage it. So I'll just use this band to hold my hair down. And that's it for wash day. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you have any tips for natural hair, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and share. Okay, be good to yourself, love yourself and love others. Bye.